Hi, good evening, everybody. My name is Sloan Joy Trugman, and I've spent a year and a half doing some very interesting things. At first, I was trying to reverse engineer my recruitment into a triple letter federal agency, by which I did all the formal applications, but I started embedding and chasing the intelligence community's technological infrastructuralists and the highest ranking members of the DoD's information security and technological teams. And then I wound up connecting myself over again a course of a year directly within top contractors, technological companies in and out of the security, satellite, ground systems community, and then went into academic centers, started connecting with new entrepreneurs, leaving these systems and also feeding into them. Again, the DoD's technological acquisition process. And I started getting close to the space community as well. I had been for some time. I was very close with friends who had been leaving this contracting process or federal agencies or other FFRDCs to pitch and get their new ideas funded for new technology that was small, and that was going to open up data at large. And there was this democratization of information that was happening right before our eyes in Silicon Valley and startup culture that was no longer serving this DoD and or federal system to use and harness the powers of this infrastructure that was set in for national security in and out of the last 35 to 60 years. But it was doing something cooler. It was opening access for this new way of interacting with the planet, which is impact-based. So I've come up with a theory that I've been sifting through over the past year and a half now. I've created a moniker called Secretary of the Information State based off of this relationship of demand for high technologies, and I call it the seesaw effect going into the triangle of convergence. And the main deduction of this triangle of convergence is something that I'm calling the sixth estate. It's living on top of the fifth estate, and it deals with the access again to information and what we're going to be doing with it. So I feel that the power of the sixth estate is impact strategy and the power to actually do change based off of accountability with the ways in which we go about using this data. So the sixth estate is not a new idea. It's been used and thrown about in a couple other ways. There's actually published books and things circulating in the blogosphere, but I happen to use it with just as big as a power dynamic and shift as the third estates had on the system of taxation, access and spread and dissemination of information to a constituency or body of people, and just like the fourth estate had with the spread and trust and authority of that information to other constituents, which are the news-bearing citizens, and then again the power shift that the fourth estate had at large, which is the influence those policymakers and doers and company heads. So the fifth estate is the network sphere, platforms and the exchange of ideas, and then that some hold of accountability there, but the authority of voice and measure sometimes got convoluted or is getting convoluted. So I see the sixth estate as this shift of an access to information based off of these new systems that we're leaving that federal system and opening and an awakening into a new era of harnessing the power of these new technologies that are smaller, faster, and more agile to understand our planet better, understand our world better. So again, looking forward to getting some information out to you guys. And it's been such a pleasure being able to, leave what I had thought was working for a closed and covert system, engaging in all of these technologies for national security, coming into awareness and seeing what my friends were personally doing and the ways in which that I could be an orator and a communicator to not just lobby for these changes, but also affect the state of the world and get some impact initiatives off the ground. And then now today to be forming an NGO that represents these technologies and forming a representative body of SOTUS that will be speaking and disseminating the information. And then hopefully, setting up this impact structure for this next sixth estate, which is with the access to information, we can be doing so many more impact initiatives in affecting our planet, and hopefully using this digital diplomacy to really engage in this global conversation that has been, closing off this world to national security, insecurity, and mistrust across borders, going with these cultural wars and very complex geopolitical deals. So I look forward to sharing more of my messages as time goes by, but happy Sunday, everybody, and blessed Mondays.